Hello, I'm Kate. I will convert your text or documents into the highest quality text-to-speech audio using the latest AI voice technology. I have tools that allow me to convert text files, large documents, and even books into more than 80 lifelike voices in 27 languages and dialects. This will save you thousands of dollars on the cost of hiring voiceover artists. I will create audio files that you can use for your sales videos, explainer videos, training videos, product review videos, presentations, webinars, audiobooks, podcasts, and many other uses. This is an example of a US English-speaking female voice. Thank you for listening.